Hi guys, good evening. It's been a while. I wasn't able to upload video in my YouTube channel. Been very busy with a lot of travels for work. Yeah, finally I'm having time. I'm spending time with my Bunnylicious. So masaya siya kasi kasama niya ang Kuya Mark niya there. Hi boys!
Hi.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
We're just playing on the swing.
Yeah, place was a swing. Oh, be careful. Oh, come on, you slide.
You need to take off your slippers when you slide.
Of course, that's the rule. But make sure you be careful, darling. Protect your head all the time. Oh, come on, slide, slide. Shara! Hindi basa? Hindi basa? Okay. I'll just walk around, okay?
Wait, when are you gonna finish your walk?
8:30. I'm going to fetch you here. Just stay there. You play there with Kuya. Okay? So mag-walk muna tayo while waiting for my bunny who's also playing. Yeah, so it's just a 1-minute video. Yeah, lakad. It's July 6 today. Bilis ng araw. Half of the year already. Bye-bye!